film.
Alright, cheers. We're in Kuala Lumpur and we're feeling like we want to make some tacos. Something fish from the market today. We're just gonna hit that with some pepper and some salt first. And we're gonna start on our fucking taco shells. Alright, starting with a good amount of flour. You wanna salt it a bit.
You're looking very muscular right now, just so you know. You're looking good.
Thank you. A little bit of pepper. Fucking, I think oil, hopefully this is what this is. Oh fuck, that might not be oil. Now you have a bit of beer.
Oh, some Chang.
Beauty.
Imported straight from Thailand.
And then all it is nice half cup or whatever the fuck it is of warm water. Beauty. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
That was fucking delicious. I'm just gonna try and kind of push it together to form one thing. Just ball it up. I'm gonna let that rest and rise. We'll come back to that later. Now, we got flour for our fish, a little bit of salt, pepper, cumin powder here. Yeah, cumin powder. Beauty. Baba's chili pepper, chili powder. Let's take a look at our fish here. Move the Chang out of the way. This is real life cooking. Real life cooking.
Took us like 3 hours to debone.
We're lazy as fuck. We took the bones out, but the skin's still on there. It's gonna get nice and crispy. It's gonna get fucking beautiful. So we're just chucking that fish in there, let it get coated. Oh, gross. Okay, no, we're good. Just get it everywhere. You want to get some chunks of flour so it gets nice and fun, crispy, you know what I mean? Now it's time for the fun part, making the coleslaw, cutting some veggies. Yeah, cheers my cameraman Jack here, I love it. He's doing a great job. Cucumber. Quick wash because I have no clue where the fuck this thing's been. Some nice like long strands of cucumber because I'm basically using it as my cabbage for a coleslaw. And then I'm just slicing it thin. You bring it in here, beauty. We got this beauty tomato here. Slicing it thin. Small red onion, what is this called? Shallot. Cut it in half. Again, nice and thin. Nice lime, we're cutting this in half because all we're using is the juices. Beauty. Fresh cilantro. You can probably smell it through the fucking screen right there. Jack loves it. Cutting the stems off of that. With cilantro, you don't want to cut it too much. You just want to get a nice chop on it because you're gonna ruin the texture and the flavor of it. It's gonna get all like slimy and dark. So that's good there. Garlic, put it down your board, smash it. Easy to get that skin off like that. Chopping it nice and small. I just wanted to show you guys something that not a lot of people do, but it elevates your coleslaw to like the fucking next level. Take your lime, take your garlic and your onions, and you want to let these marinate in the lime. We're also going to throw one of these bad boys. People say keep the seeds out because it's way too fucking spicy. I say half the flavors in the seeds, so keep that shit in there. We're just going to let that marinate for a bit. Alright, this is after 20 minutes of resting in the bag, keeping the oxygen away from it. It looks like something. I've never made this before, but it looks like it should work. I don't know, equal part.
You're stealing Cooking with Jenny's lines, man.
Is that it? Yeah, well, this is our age. That's what it is. Shout out to Cooking with Jenny also. Check her out on YouTube. We don't have a roller right now. I'm going to try and squish it down with this bad boy.
Put your fucking back into it.
Wow.
Oh, perfect.
It's kind of nice, actually. Alright, first one didn't work too well. We're gonna do.
Oh, it's good enough, dude. It's perfect.
Hold on. Oh! Damn! Ah! That's what we're looking for. It's not really a circle, but we're gonna pretend that it is. Boom! and repeat that. So, we probably should have checked this before, but this piece of shit electronic flat top, whatever it's called, is broken. So we have two ideas to cook our taco shells here. Number one, I'm getting this toaster nice and hot. I oiled up the top. I'm gonna try throwing it on there and see if it cooks. If that doesn't work, we'll try throwing it in the deep fryer. Oh, this is stuck to the fucking thing. What a great cooking show this is.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you should be showing this. Oh, our toaster popped.
I got it.
Look at that. And we're just gonna throw that. Oh shit. Let's throw that. Alright, she's cooking.
You literally can't see your face, so.
Ah, come on. Ah, Jesus Christ. Ah, gee, that scared me. It's looking good. Honestly, like it's all pulled together. So, we're waiting. So, normally you'd want to heat this up to around 350, but this shitty little deep fryer we have only goes to 190. Throw it in the basket. You don't want to overfill your deep fryer or else it's going to make it cold right when you drop everything in there. Shake it around a little bit. You don't want it stuck to the bottom of the basket. And those are good to chill for a little bit. The fish in there for about 3 minutes now. It's getting this nice brown color. I'm just going to pull it out of the oil. We're going to let it rest there for about a minute and then throw it back in, and it's just going to make it extra crispy. It's going to be fucking, oh, it's going to be fucking amazing. I got it onto this cheese grater because I want the oil to not like sit with all the fish and get it all soggy. And that's getting salt, pepper, some more cayenne, some more cumin, and it's just gonna be fucking zingy and fucking good.
Okay.
Woo! Our second batch of fish cooking. Then we're gonna throw together our coleslaw. Onions and cilantro and chilies and garlic and the lime, all our cucumbers, some of our tomatoes, a little bit more of the cilantro, not too much because Jackie Boy doesn't love it. A little bit of salt. Then what I have here is some nice low-fat, just original flavor Greek yogurt. Oh man.
She's a squirter.
Gonna hit it with
Yum.
but once you have everything incorporated to each other, mix that up. That's our coleslaw good to go. Nice, healthy amount, delicious fucking fish in there. You throw that right on top like that. And that right there is a fucking deadly taco. It is deadly. Cheers, boys. It's fucking insane. That's so fucking good. Ah!